Hello everyone, welcome to Career Point. This is Moutusi. So, we will complete the Child Development Pedagogica third chapter Vygotsky's theory. So, today's session I will discuss latest previous year questions and practice some latest question on Vygotsky's theory. So, let's start today's session. Our first question from Vygotsky is Number 1. Lev Vygotsky refers to the verbal dialogues that child have with themselves as Option A. Private speech. Option B. Distorted speech. Option C. Problematic speech. Option D. Egocentric speech. This is CTET 2019 पेपर 1 का क्वेश्चन है. Here, Vygotsky refers verbal dialogues. Verbal dialogugs. Here, option A, private speech is the right answer. Egocentric speech, ये बात पियाजे कहते हैं. So here, option A is the right answer. Next, question number 2. Constructivists such as Jean Piaget and Vygotsky view learning as conditioning of response. Option B, passive repetitive process. Option C, process of meaning making by actively engagement. Option D, acquisition of knowledge. This is also CTET 2019 paper 2 का question. So here what should be the right answer? Constructivist, that means is actively engaged in the learning process. So here option B, passive repetitive response, this is eliminate. Conditioning and response, ये तो B.F. Skinner कहते हैं ना. So option C, process of meaning making by actively engagement. So here option 3 is the right answer. Okay, here meaning making by actively engagement. Constructivist. Next, question number 3. Lev Vygotsky social cultural perspective of learning emphasize importance of dash in the learning process. Option A, cultural tool. Option B, motivation. Option C, attribution. Option B, equilibration. This is CTET 2021 paper 1 1st January का question है. So here what should be the right answer? Vygotsky specially emphasized on society, culture and language. SCL. This is a mnemonic of Vygotsky's theory. SCL. So here C for culture. What is the right answer? Option A, cultural tools. Cultural tool is the right answer. Motivation and equilibration. This is the aspect of Piaget's theory. Okay. Motivation is theory's aspect and cultural tool is the Lev Vygotsky social development theory का aspect. So here option A is the right answer. Question number 4. According to Lev Vygotsky, option A, language plays an important role in cognitive development of children. Option B, children learn language through language acquisition device. Option 3, children's cognitive development occurs in stages. Option D, maturation of schemas leads to cognitive development in children. This is CTET 2021 paper 2 का question है. So here what should be the right answer? We all know that Vygotsky's theory is not a stage theory. Vygotsky believed development is a continuous process. So here option B, option C, development occurs in stage. This is a wrong. Next option D, maturation of schema. Maturation and schema help cognitive development. ये बात जीन पियाजे कहते हैं. So option B also eliminate. Next option B, children learn language through language acquisition device. Language acquisition device term used Noam Chomsky. That's mean child have a innate ability to learn acquisition of language. So Vygotsky emphasized language is a key tool because he believed language is a man's greatest tool. So here option A, language play an important role in cognitive development. Option A is the right answer. Okay. Next, question number 5. Zone of proximal development, ZPD, is A. Option A, the area between a child's current level of independent performance and level of performance that the child could achieve with the help of adult and more skilled peers. Option B, a range of tasks that the child should be able to do as per her age but cannot. Option D, the process where two individuals who begin with different understanding. Option D, the process is which children learn to perform tasks as set by the elder member in a society. This question also seated 2021 paper 2 ka. So here what should be the right answer? We know ZPD means a child can do with himself and a child can do with the help of MKO, more skilled person. So here option A. So here option A is the right answer. Next, question number 6. Giving clues and offering support to child as an. So question number 6. Giving clue and offering support to child as and when required is an example of option A, scaffolding, option B, conditioning, option C, reinforcement, option D, cognitive conflict. So what should be the right answer? Here option B, conditioning, and option C, reinforcement, ये दोनों का बात कहता है B.F. स्किनर एंड पैवलव इन कंडीशन थ्योरी में. And option D, cognitive conflict, this key term used Kohlberg. So here option B, C, D all eliminated. And option A, scaffolding, is the right answer. Okay. Next, question number 7. The application of Vygotsky's theory to children education propose A, collaborative learning, B, rote learning, C, operant learning, D, passive learning. So here what should be the right answer? Vygotsky emphasized collaborative learning, cooperative learning. So here option A is the right answer. And Vygotsky emphasized active engagement. So here passive learning is गलत है. रोट लर्निंग एनीवे 2020 में ये तो नेगेटिव की टर्म है. रोट लर्निंग, मेमोराइजिंग, दिस ऑल. एंड ऑपरेंट लर्निंग, दिस इज नॉट ए लर्निंग प्रोसेस. सो हियर ऑप्शन ए, कोलैबोरेटिव लर्निंग, इज द राइट आंसर. नेक्स्ट, क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. Assertion. A teacher tries to include example from immediate environment of child to make the class interactive. Reason. Socio-cultural context play an important role in learning. So here option A, both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Option B, both A and R are true but R is not correct. Option C, A is true but R is false. Option D, both A and R are false. So here what should be the right answer? Here all question seated 2022 paper 1 का क्वेश्चन है. Okay. So here what should be the right answer? Here option A, both A and R true and R is the correct explanation of A. Because a teacher tries to example from immediate environment and in the learning process he tried to engage socio-cultural context. So here assertion and reason दोनों ही right and दोनों में एक relationship है. So here option A is the right answer. Next, question number 9. As a son, interaction with more knowledgeable others, such as teachers and peers, can provide the necessary support and guidance to help learners develop their understanding and skills. Reason: social interaction is a key component of learning and development. Option A true but R is false. Option B, both A and R false. Option C, both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Option D, both A and R are true but R is not correct explanation of A. So here what should be the right answer? And assumption is true. Assumption is true. Next, reason. So here reason also true. Here option C, both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. This is the right answer. Okay. So question number 10. According to Lev Vygotsky, language development facilitates cognitive development. B, social factor influence language development but not cognitive development. C, cognitive development facilitate language development. Option D, language development and cognitive development advanced independent from each other. So here what should be the right answer? Here option B is correct because social factor influence language development and cognitive development both. So here option B is correct. Next, option A is the right answer. Okay. Next, question number 11. Okay. As per Lev Vygotsky, plays a significant role in the development of conceptual abilities among children. Option A, standardized curriculum. Option B, tangible rewards. Option B, peer collaboration. Option B, social isolation. So here what should be the right answer? Here all question seated 2023 20 अगस्त का क्वेश्चन है. ऑप्शन ए स्टैंडर्डाइज्ड करिकुलम, ये सुनने में अच्छे है बट एनपी 2020 में और एनसीएफ करिकुलम में स्टैंडर्डाइज्ड करिकुलम ए नेगेटिव की टर्म है. और सोशल आइसोलेशन, दिस इज ऑल्सो गलत बिकॉज सोशल इंटरेक्शन इज राइट. So here peer collaboration, Lev Vygotsky emphasized on peer collaboration, peer tutoring, collaborative learning. He emphasized on group activity. So here option C, peer collaboration is the right answer. Next, 12. According to Lev Vygotsky theory, inner speech, option A is a way for children to regulate their own thinking. Option B is a way for children to communicate with an imaginary friend. Option C is sign of cognitive development. Option D is sign of development delay. So here what should be the right answer? This question is CTET 2023 पेपर 1 का क्वेश्चन है. So inner speech mean is a way for children to regulate their own thinking. Children directed their own work. So inner speech, here option A is the right answer. Lev Vygotsky believed that development, option A, result directly from maturation. Option B, result directly from social interaction. Option C is a unfolding of genetic programming. Option D is a discontinuous in nature. This is CTET 2023 पेपर 2 का क्वेश्चन है. So here what should be the right answer? Lev Vygotsky emphasized on society, culture, language and social interaction. So here option B is the right answer. Development is result directly from social interaction. Option B is the right answer. Next, question number 14. According to Lev Vygotsky, children regulate their own behavior through the option 1, process of equilibration. Option 2, process of adaptation. Option 3, use self reinforcement. Option 4, use of inner speech. दिस इज सीटेड 2024 7 जुलाई का लेटेस्ट क्वेश्चन है. You can see question number 12 and question number 14 both concept are same is inner speech. Same concept का question again and again comes back in different pattern. So previous year question is most important for seated. Here right answer is option 4, use of inner speech. Regulate their own behavior through use of inner speech. Next question number 15. Vygotsky's theory of social cultural development is a theory on option A, how a children influence his thinking, option 2, cognitive development, option 3, constructivist theory, option D, radicalist theory. So here what should be the right answer? So what is the full form of Vygotsky's theory? Vygotsky's socio-cultural cognitive development theory. So here right answer is option 2, cognitive development. Okay, cognitive development is a right answer. Vygotsky's theory is based on constructivist, but it is not a constructivist theory. So here option 2 is the right answer. Next question number 16. A pupil teacher Ria is teaching a topic of flower of class 5 students. She recently studies Vygotsky's sociocultural theory during her teaching. Which method of grouping the students will she prefer? Grouping on the basis of friends. B, would not group students at all. Option C, homogeneous grouping. Option D, heterogeneous grouping. So here what should be the right answer of question number 16? Okay, emphasize on heterogeneous grouping. That's mean mixed ability or different ability a student have in group. So here option D is the right answer. Next question number 17. Assertion or reason का question. Assertion. Vygotsky's theory gave little importance to language in the learning process. Reason. He viewed language as central to cognitive development because it is a primary tool for thought and social interaction. So here option both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Option 2, both A and R are true but R is not correct explanation of A. Option 3, A is true but R is false. Option 4, A is false but R is true. So here what should be the right answer? Assertion is wrong because Vygotsky strongly emphasize on language, not little importance or emphasize. And so here A is false and he viewed language as central to cognitive development. Here reason is true. Option 4 is the right answer. A is false but R is true. Here A is false, R is true. I think you like today's session. This session can help to clear your concept on Vygotsky's theory. So if you like today's video, please like the channel